Hey guys, welcome to Artistry Tips. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you how to remove acrylic and polygel from your nails. So today I'll be removing acrylic from my friend's nails. They were longer at one point, but she had already cut them down before the appointment. So if you are starting off with longer nails, the first thing that you want to do is just take a nail clipper or whatever you have, cut the nails down as low as possible. And then the second step is what you see me doing here, is taking a nail drill. If you don't have a nail drill, a nail file is fine. You just want to remove any gel polish, top coat. She had flakes in her nails, so I'm trying to remove those as well, and dead skin. If your client has any dead skin, this is your time, take advantage of this time and remove that as well. So that's what I'm doing here. Also, I'm trying to, file down the thickness, a little bit of it so she doesn't have to soak for a very long time. So that's what I'm doing right here. This is the second step. Please ignore, my head being in there. I don't know. I had my scarf on too, so just don't judge me, please. Okay, so the next step that you want to do is go ahead and dust off your client's nails. Get your bowl ready, whatever you're going to have your client soak their hands in. Fill it up with some acetone and let them soak for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm not going to lie, I didn't keep track of how long I had her soaking her hand. As soon as I saw the product bubbling up on her nails, I went ahead, had her remove her hand, and did this fourth step, which is what you see me doing here. I took a cuticle pusher and began to remove as much product as I could gently. You want to be gentle with your clients, but all of the product didn't come off at once. So after I did this step, I went ahead and had her put her hand back in for maybe like 10 more minutes, and then I repeated the same step. Got the cuticle pusher and removed as much as I could, and whatever was left over, I took my nail drill and I began to just sand away as much as I could. And if anything is left over, you can just continue to repeat the same steps, but after the second soak and with the drill, you should have, you should be able to remove all the product at ease. If your client is willing to just soak for like 45 minutes, you can cut out the extra steps and all of the product should just slide right off. But it all depends on how long you have your client soak for, and also how thick the nails were to begin with. And we're done. All of the product is removed from her nails. It's just straight bare nails. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment. Stay tuned for the next one. Later.